There are a lot of statistics being thrown around these days. I'm always wondering, what's the truth behind the number of people that are actually switching from driving gas cars to electric cars? Is it even possible to have no more new gas cars sold by 2035? Didn't Tesla just lay off 10% of their staff? That's what we're going to be looking at today. The truth and the facts behind electric vehicles in British Columbia. My name's Trevor. I've been a consultant in the EV charging industry for a few years now. People have pretty strong opinions about electric vehicles, both positive and negative. Earlier this year, BC Hydro released a really great article outlining some of the most powerful statistics about electric vehicles. Today, I just wanted to dive a little bit deeper into some of the points that I found was the most interesting, and just take a little bit of a closer look at the state of electric vehicles in our province. Haters will tell you that the EV rollout is in decline and people just aren't adopting the new movement. Especially with the news that Tesla just laid off 10% of their staff. Some may say, electric vehicles aren't the future. Well, that may be the case in some parts of the world, but certainly not in British Columbia. All right, so let's go over some of the best points about this article. Let's start with number one, being my favorite one, is nowhere else in North America are EV adoption rates higher than in British Columbia. We're number one when it comes to new EV sales. Yay. To piggyback off that last point, you might be wondering, okay, so with all these EV sales, how many EVs are there in British Columbia? Well, at the end of 2023, there were 150,000 EVs in British Columbia. Another fun fact that you probably know is if you're driving on the highway in a gas car, you need two people to ride in the HOV lane. But if you're driving solo in an electric car, go right ahead. The HOV lane is all yours. Out of all the cities in Canada, which one would you guess has the highest EV adoption rate? Believe it or not, it's Squamish. Good old Squamish. Squamish has the highest ratio of EVs, with 7 for every 1,000 people. You may be wondering, how come BC is so ahead of the pack when it comes to EV adoption rates? Well, it probably comes down to a few things. In my opinion, we've always been a little bit more green than maybe the rest of the provinces when it comes to our culture. It probably goes hand in hand with the number of trees and the mountains that people go hiking on every weekend. But it really boils down to one main thing, and that's cheap electricity. BC has some of the cheapest energy in Canada, all thanks to the good old dam up the road, creating 98% clean and renewable energy. The big goal is to have no more gas cars sold by 2035. Just before that, at 2030, they're hoping to have 90% of people already driving electric. And in the shorter term, by 2026, they're estimating that 25% of people will have adopted EVs by that point. All right, so those are all my favorite points from the article. Maybe I'm a nerd and I just find this stuff super interesting, but I'm hoping you do too, because there's going to be a lot more coming. There's much more information on that article that I've been talking about this entire time. I'll make sure to include the link in the description at the bottom. I've said it before and I'll say it again. There's way more information on my website. So whatever questions you might have, I'm sure you'll be able to find some answers on there. Feel free to check it out. It's strongenergy-ev.com. I really appreciate you guys checking in, and I'll catch you on the next one.